Hello everyone, in today's video I'm going to walk you through how to add PayPal to your Shopify store in 2025. Now the first step is to log into Shopify admin. That's to go to shopify.com and sign into your store's admin panel. Then you need to click on settings at the bottom left corner and select payments. Scroll to the PayPal section, click activate PayPal Express checkout. If your store is new, Shopify may automatically set up PayPal Express using the email you used to create your store. You need to click activate again. You'll be redirected to PayPal to log in. Grant permission for Shopify to connect with your PayPal account. Now this is optional. You can change your PayPal account. If you want to use a different PayPal email, first deactivate the existing PayPal account under payments, then click activate again with the new email. Additional tips. You need a PayPal business account to receive customer payments on Shopify. Upgrade from a personal account if needed at paypal.com/business. Then make sure your PayPal email is verified to avoid payment issues, and ensure your Shopify store currency matches the one set in PayPal or set up multiple currency supports if needed. Hope you find the video helpful.